How to watch Las Vegas local channels. If you live in Las Vegas or are visiting, staying connected to local news, sports, and events is key. But many people get this wrong. They assume you need cable. Here's how to watch Las Vegas local channels in 2025. Option 1. Over-the-air antenna. You won't believe what happens next. You can pick up channels like NF Class, XNIV, and more in EAT for free. A simple indoor or outdoor antenna works, with no subscription required. Option 2. Streaming services. Platforms like YouTube TVision, Hulu Live TV, and Sling TVision carry Las Vegas local channels. They offer live broadcasts and tour functionality, letting you catch up anytime. Option 3. Network apps. OBC, Keybase, NEC, and Fox apps often allow live streaming in local markets if you log in with a provider. Some also provide clips and on-demand content for free. Option 4. Local cable or satellite packages. For those who prefer traditional services, Spectrum, Cox, and DirecTV offer Las Vegas channels in standard bundles. The surprising truth is that you don't have to pay for expensive cable to watch local channels. Over-the-air antennas or streaming services often provide the same content with more flexibility and less cost.